Assalamu alaikum students. Yes, today I am going to explain one of the very important questions based on Euler's theorem, that is u is equals to sine inverse x square plus y square by xy. We have to show that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to tan u. Okay, so first student, it is given here, state and prove Euler's theorem for homogeneous function and then show that. So what you have to do, that you have to prove the theorem of Euler's, which we have done before in our previous video. Okay, which we have done before in our previous video. You have to do that theorem first, and after that you have to solve this problem. Okay, so what I am doing, I am solving the problem here. What is given to you? U is equals to sine inverse x square plus y square by x plus y. If I shift this sign to this, the LHS side, so it becomes sine u is equals to x square plus y square by x plus y. Okay, let put sine u is equals to z. Okay, sine u is equals to z. Okay, so what we are having, z of x comma y is equals to x square plus y square by x plus y. Now to check whether the function is homogeneous or not. So what we have to do, that for checking our function is homogeneous and not, and to find the degree of, and to find degree of the function. Okay, so what we have to do, z of, in the place of x, what we have to do, substituting kx, in the place of y, what we have to do, substituting ky. So z of kx comma ky is equals to, what we are having, kx k square x square by k square y square by kx plus ky. So what it becomes, if I take k square common, x square plus y square. Now if I take k common, x plus y. So this k, and from 1k from this gets cancelled. What is the leftover thing? K into x square plus y square by x plus y. Okay, so it is equals to k into our function z of x comma y. So it is homogeneous. Okay, it is homogeneous, and z, what we'll write, z is a homogeneous function of degree. What is the degree here? Power, what is the power of k? 1. Okay, of degree 1. Now what we have to do, we have to apply Euler's theorem. What is our Euler's theorem? I have explained in our previous video, that is dou x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y is equals to nz. N is the degree of the homogeneous function and z is our function. Okay, so let us start. So whatever our function is given to us, we have to differentiate it with respect to x and with respect to y. So what is our function? Z is equals to sine u. Okay, z is equals to sine u. What we have to do, we have to differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y, but our function is in u variable. So what we have to do, we have to differentiate with respect to u first. So dou z, differentiating with respect to u. So what we will get, dou z by dou u is equals to, dou z by dou u is equals to what? Yes, cos. Differentiation of sine become cos u dou cos u. Okay, and now again it is our equation number 1, put it as, then z is equals to sine u. We are differentiating our function with respect to, okay, this is our function. So what we are having, dou z by dou u is equals to cos u we are having. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x and y. So what we'll have, dou z by dou x will be written as dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x. If we cancel dou u and dou u here, what we will get here, dou z by dou x, that is our LHS side. So I have written here, if we differentiate with respect to x, what we will get? Dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x. So in the place of dou z by dou u, what I am substituting? Cos u. So cos u into, okay, dou u by dou x. Okay, in the same way, differentiating with respect to y gives you dou z by dou y means what we will write? Dou z by dou u into dou u by dou y. So what we will write? Dou z by dou u is nothing but cos u into dou u by dou y. Okay, we are having both dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Okay, so what we have to do? We will substitute this in our Euler's theorem equation, that is x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y is equals to nz. Okay, that is our Euler's theorem equation. Okay, so x, what is our dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is nothing but cos u dou u by dou x plus y cos u dou u by dou y is equals to n. N is nothing but 1, and what is our z? Z is nothing but our sin u. Okay, sin u. So what is there? What is there in our equation? X cos u dou u by dou x plus y cos u dou u by dou y. So what is the common term we are having here? Cos u. So I am taking common cos u. What is the leftover thing? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to sin u. Okay, so what I will do? I will shift this cos u to the opposite side. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to sin u by cos u, which will become x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to tan u, which is the required proof which asked in our question. So this is the very important questions based on our Euler's theorem. So it will be expected question for your semester examination. So boys, what you have to do? You have to practice this question, and if you are having any doubts, any query, please write it down in my comment section. I will clear your doubts. And next, in my next video, I am going to start the second unit of partial differentiation. Okay, the second unit of partial differentiations I am going to start. So I will start with the short answers first, then I will proceed for the long answer. Okay, till then you have to practice this problem. Okay, that is the Euler's theorem problem. It is very important, and in my next video I will start my second unit of partial differentiation. Till then, Allah Hafiz. But everyone have to subscribe this channel. It is very important for me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.